Somebody asked me if loving nature was worldly. Well, it depends how you love nature. Do you love it over the Creator? Do you idolize it? Do you worship nature? Do you ask nature to do things for you? Or do you just love how it looks, how beautiful it is? And every time you look at nature, you think to yourself, God, you created some beautiful stuff. It depends where your heart is. If it gives glory to God, you're in the absolute right to love nature. But if you put it over God and you make it a God, then that's worldly. Not saying that you make it a God, just answering the question. God bless you.